This is the best way to get where you want to be in life. Dear Unique, hello my friend, welcome to my channel. This is Amira. You have to decide for yourself, not someone else. You have to decide for yourself what is good or what is bad for you. Other people's opinions, thoughts should not make decisions for you. You have to make decisions for yourself. You don't have to have a certain look or a certain job or an education to be valuable. You have to value yourself. Not wait for someone else to value you. As long as you wait for someone else to value you, to tell you what to do, what not to do, where to go, where not to go, who you are, how to dress, how to behave, how to laugh, how to cry, how to talk, how to walk. You never find your true self. Never. I always said it's so important. It's very, very important. More than even you imagine. Dear Unique, watch my writing therapy videos and also ask yourself deep question. Yeah, you have to ask yourself deep questions. Don't lie to yourself. Be honest and answer those questions. You can find yourself in so many things about your life and about other people around you, in your families, in your friends, your colleagues, your lover, your partner. Yeah. It can help you, What are you want? What, or do not want, and what or who you are. Why are you here in your life? Do you want to live here in this city, in this country? If yes, okay. If no, how? You want to be someone else. What is your ideal life? What values or relationships do you want? What kind of home and place would you like to be? What kind of house do you want to have? Find it yourself. Stand up for yourself. Do not stop there and finish what you've started. Don't let anyone decide for you. And I told you, this is the best way to get where you want to be in life. This is your life, not someone else's life. This is your life, okay? And it's too important. Yeah, that's it. So, dear Unique, be very careful and remember, there is only one you. No one can take your place. And also, you cannot take someone else's place. Focus on yourself. Okay? Love you. Bye.